What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the stream, y'all. Another beautiful trading day. Mm, guys, let's get into these charts. All right, y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? Mo Diesel in the building here trading the gold charts. All right. There's some things I want to check out real quick. Today's the 29th. It's Wednesday. We do not have any red folders besides the Euro news, right? They talking about all day, but think about it, guys. No U.S. high news, so this is good. Turn this down so we could get focused because y'all come here to trade. All right, so recap of yesterday real quick. Just a quick recap. I'm not going to go too deep into it, but just a recap. As you can see, we took this trade yesterday at 23.50, and we took it all the way up to 23.57. But guess what, guys? That thing pumped out way more. All right, it pumped out so much more from this price all the way up here. Went really pretty high. I would say, like, let's look and see how high did it go. A good 100, and it actually went higher than that. It went up here to 138 clicks, but you know, we already hit our TP, so it's a brand new day, and we're just going to see what's going on. Now, below, I did have some point of interest here below. This is an area where I figured that if she was to turn around, she would come back to, and that would be right here. All right, I'm going to see some. I'm liking the way this market is moving. I'm just going to be honest with you. This area right here looks like a good point of where they could be coming to. Down here, we got some double bottoms down here. So, you know, this is money sitting here. And if you look closely, there is like a little small smidget of a gap right here. So let me show you guys. Right here, there is a little gap where this wick candle didn't come all the way down. You see, we still have room, all right? It's not a lot, but it's there. So we're not going to neglect that. So as market is turning around, guys, if you look here on the higher time frame, let's go to the higher time frame real quick. Daily, look where we're at. Boom. We're in this accumulation area, and then we could be falling down to this area here. It's a nice area to fall to. Why? Because if you look look left, over here we have slippage candles, one-sided play. So I'm looking to say, you know what? According to the way this market is looking, if we continue to break this trend, we could come down lower into this area here. So 22.75 is what I'm going to call. Go back to the hourly real quick because it is 8 o'clock, and a lot of times market gets to moving around this time. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you guys too long. I'm shorting this market. Okay, I'm gonna short it to. Let me see. I can put the highs here. Let me go down to a lower time frame real quick. I like the way this market is moving. So yeah, we're gonna short it here at 23.40. We're gonna go ahead and put that short in there. 23.40. We're going to TP1 at 23.38. TP2 at 23.36. And TP3 at 23.34. Okay, and then we're going to do our stop loss. I mean, we could stop loss this market even lower here. We could take that. It was about 50 some clicks out. It's not bad at all. We don't need to do that much. We can bring it like there. Let's do 38 clicks. 38 clicks, what is that? 2343 for the SL, 2343. Boom. I just sent this trade to the group. If you're in my Telegram group, and you have the trade now. But if you're not in the Telegram group, please go to the description below and you'll see the link, and you can enter the group and you can see the trade that I just placed and all of the target prices that I just put down. Based off the higher time frame, I'm looking to sell this market even lower. Okay, I'm looking to see this market continue to push down, get up in this area here, even closing this off, and then possibly coming down this low right here. Now, these are just, again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and trade at your own risk. These are my ideas. I don't mind holding out my ideas. I don't mind taking the L on my ideas because they're mine. Okay. Now, I'm just doing some investigating right now just to see and make sure things are still pretty much lining up. Lots of liquidity below, guys. Lots of liquidity below. Let's, I like to mark up things that my eyes just catch. Alright. As I'm doing my analysis. Let's see. I want to put notice on this here. Alright. Okay. Now, I am wanting to see this market push down a little further. Okay. This is why I would kind of put like a kind of tight stop here. 38 clicks. Mainly because, you know, it is a high chance of this market coming up into this insufficiency in price that it created. Okay, past couple hours. And then there is a little bit of insufficiency up here. But let's see where we at. All right, right here. Okay, still looking pretty good as far as the markup. All right, everything is looking pretty good here, guys. This area here would be my target area. I want to see her get below the lows, and then look, insufficiency in price sitting right there. So we know what that is, right? That's another target area that I want to aim for. Guys, I'm looking for areas of liquidity to aim for. That's all that I'm doing here, all right? I don't care if she comes back and pull up or whatever. If she gives me a different sign of change in directions, mainly on the lower time frame, which she hasn't. She has been continuously trading to the downside. All right, here we had a little slight pull back. You know, we had to pull in some buyers in order to get this market to push down. All right, I remember this area here was a target for us as far as when she was way up here. Okay, but now that she has come back down into my area, I'm feeling like, all right, it's a strong possibility that we could continue this market down. Now, if I'm wrong, it's okay. Guys, taking L's in this game is what it's about. okay? We're, as traders, are not always wrong. It's not our job to be 100% right in this market. It's our job to take high probability setups that could possibly play out, right? It's our job to investigate the footprints of the market, of the big guys, and how they're moving, to find out where liquidity is sitting, all right, and target those areas, right? So, strong possibility, you know, of this trade continuing to the downside. But again, if it does come up, then I will know that we're going to move probably a little higher. And then the way that I'm thinking about this market is to come up to this area up here, right? Because lots of liquidity, and I mean lots of liquidity is sitting right there, right? But we will have to wait and see. Maybe we catch this move. She closed this, and that's another thing too. She closed this, but from here to there, let me see what it was. It was 28 clicks. It actually wasn't bad. Closing this area off here. We moved lower by pushing down, you know, about 20, 30, 25 minutes ago. So this is what's giving me the idea that we're going to continue this market to this direction. But if she does come up and she starts to, you know, create that wave to come up, then we will change our direction. But she would have to get like, she would have to literally, let's see, where's our stop loss? 43 right there. We still have insufficiency up here. We have some insufficiency as she slipped. So, you know, strong chance of it wanting to reverse and come up here. But the only thing is, the reason why I'm saying sells is because when I look at the higher time frame, I see how she's moving in this area here, right? Look left, we got up, right? And then we have the push straight down, right? Taking out liquidity. Well, she broke, you know, this trend, and this is giving me an indication that we could be trending lower now. We could start trending lower. One thing that tells me that is because look at this wave from, let me see. Look at this wave from here to here, right? We only got maybe a little over 50% of this whole wave. Strong chances of still being able to short this market and come further down, getting into these areas here, these price zones. All right, that's pretty much, you know, what I'm looking at right now. All right, this is just, again, an idea, guys. All right, this is how I trade. I know a lot of other traders on here trade differently, and that's fine. Everybody can trade their own way as long as you're making profits. Hell, it doesn't matter. But I want to try to find the best areas of getting into the market, so this way we can get, you know, a long-term trade, and we don't have to sit at the chart and watch it all day. All right, I don't want to be here all day. I just want to see what's going on in these markets. How is the market moving? Is my position in a good spot where I don't get ran on my stop, right? And this is really all I'm doing. I'm just looking, guys. If you see me moving around this chart a lot, I got ADHD. I'm going to move around the chart a lot. All right. Because I'm just searching. I'm making sure I'm doing a check and balances on the market. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Well, everything looks good so far. Just want to see how she play out. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. All right. Oh, one more thing. If you are in on my trading group, let me see, 39. Did we get down to 39? We did. All right. If you're in a trading group, let me update the group real quick. We hit all TPs before the stream, by the way. This is why being a part of the community in other areas is important, because by the time I come on stream, the market most likely have already made the move that I was looking for early. So, you know, money has already flowed for us in the SIT group. So make sure you get your access into the SIT group, man. It's free. You know, I can't give out nothing more than something free. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, y'all. All right, so let me just update the group real quick. Let them know that all their TPs were smashed, and we got in at a price. We actually got in at the price pretty high, guys. Not really high like that, but we got in at 23.44 up right around this area here. This is where we got in at. So again, as you can see, she did that push down here, and then, you know, we're still going to give that push. I still believe we can still get the push to the downside. Lots of liquidity being picked up. You know, that needs to get picked up, right? Ooh, I ain't even see. This is why I go through these markets over and over and over again. Sometimes I miss things that, look at this. Nice little ugly gap there. All right. These areas is letting me know, like, y'all, we still can move to the downside, guys. Strong possibility, the chance of moving more further down. Look at all this money sitting here, guys. We want that money. Momentum is coming to the downside. We've already broke the trend over here. The wave. Let me see. We did one. We broke one. This right here would be two. So we're aiming for it. So it's strong possibility of this trade actually coming down and meeting all of my targets. I'm gonna be honest with you. I could see this market coming further down, like way further down, like maybe down here. Yeah, I could see this market like continuing to the downside. The upside has liquidity, but it's a whole lot of traffic they will have to get through to get there. This seems like the easier move, where traffic has already been released. So they, you know, giving them the money they need in order to continue to push further down, grabbing more liquidity before we get a reversal, right? Or should I say a retracement? All right. So let's just keep watching and holding. Look, you see the signal went out, you know, right at, you know, a couple minutes after stream. and we're still in the good area. We're in the green. All right, so now that my trade is set, I got 38 pip stop. I can probably, hold this trade until, I don't know, tomorrow, or if it hits today, I don't know. It's 154 clicks down as far as my prediction, coming back down to price 23.24. I don't quite see her. I could see her come up, but I don't see it happening because of the momentum of the market. Look how strong these candles are. These candles are really strong and bearish. So by it being, this is the big boys showing that they're here. The big boys are now here. They're in the market, guys. All right. Strong chance again of this market continuing down to 23.28 and lower. All right. Down here at 23.24. But 23.28 is a good price that will pick up a lot of money here, and we could start seeing a reversal in this area. If not, she will blast through this price and continue to the next one. I'm just saying. All right. Again, not financial advice. I laugh at that, y'all. It just tickles me because I have to say it. You know what I mean? I don't want people to think that I'm out here giving this financial advice to you guys about money. All right. Come to this channel, we talk about trading, we're talking about money. There is no product. The product is money, really. So we're only talking about currency here, guys. All right. Not selling anything, at all. This is free game right here. I'll just come on here and just mark these charts. Let's look and see what the lower time frame is handling right now. I mean, she's double bottom down here, guys, on that 5 minute. So what do we have? Liquidity. More liquidity being built. Now, there's nothing wrong with just marking liquidity areas, guys. I like to mark liquidity areas on a lower time frame, just to keep my eyes vigilant of where we are and where we could be going. I wanted to, I really wanted to, let me update the group real quick. Sorry guys, they are in here and I have to make sure that I update them accordingly to the stream. All right, my Telegram group and the stream, it's a little different when it comes to the signals. I have to put out a live signal that I show you guys, and then I have a signal that I put out before the market based off of what I see in the markets when I'm drinking my tea. All right. And I'm like, well, this is happening now, and it's what time? All right, well, it's before stream, so might as well go ahead and get it. I caught the push down here, right? Let me see some. Where is it? 23.44. We were like a little bit up here. So 23.44 was our price. Could that price get hit again? We've already hit our stop, our TP 1, 2, and 3 for the group. Trying to see if we're going to continue to get this push to the downside. Look like 8:30. We could get a push to the upside. This is why I got a tight little stop on her. 38 clicks. Could have went a little bit more. I gave her a little bit more room, but I don't mind letting them show me their hand. I've already pretty much seen they want to move further down. They do. They want to move down. That 1 hour is just giving me the idea that, hey, this market could move down even further down. Just look at how it looks, y'all. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. Look at that. Strong idea. I mean, maybe my stop loss on this trade, because it's getting in at the bottom right here at this push, but looking at this market, I strongly would want to sell. Yes, there is stuff above. If I am wrong, I am quick to change my idea and go with the second one. Because think about it, guys. There's only really two doors you can go through, you know, buy or the sell door, one or the other. Okay, one or the other. So if there is a possibility of us getting knocked out of this second trade of the day, that's fine. You know what I mean? That's really fine. I might take another one just for stream purposes. But this is what I see. This is what I'm seeing so far. We are getting this little pull back here, which is fine. Let me check the lower time frame. This is why I go back and forth. You got to keep going back and forth, investigate, just to see what you might get. Really didn't want to. Now that they've presented this on the lower time frame, and they closed this thing off. They closed this insufficiency off in price. Right? This was a target area. They closed this target area off. Will we bounce off this target area and move up higher? Or will we, play around in this area like we're doing right now, and then, give a false move to the upside and then continue down? This is the things that I'm thinking about when I'm trading, guys. So I really can't be here all day with y'all, but I am going to be here for a little while. 770 Atlanta. I'm not sure who that is. Sorry, guys. I really believe that this could be the VA calling me. Dang, they're up early. Alright, so give me a second. This could be my VA calling me. You know how important it is if there's any veterans on here. You know how important it is to catch those calls, right? So just give me one moment. Let me take this phone call real fast. But keep your eyes on the chart, guys. I'm gonna just leave this up right here real quick while I take this little quick call. Okay, my bad, y'all. I'm back. Let's see what we got going here. Just stepped away for a second to make that call, set up that appointment that I've been needing. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh, we're still moving up, huh? Kinda could get up. This wave is complete. We got down to here. Still liquidity below. I still have the idea, guys, that this market could move down versus moving up. Ooh, came close to that stop too. Man, like I said, I should have gave it a little bit more. A little bit more. Well, you know, like two, maybe 40. I usually do 50 pips out, right? But I wanted it tight because I wanted to see if we can still move to the downside. That's all that was. And if I was wrong and she bust through, then I know that she could possibly take this market even higher. Okay? But what is a waiting game? You just got to have patience and see what's going on. So, we're just going to watch this bad boy for a little bit. Tea was overboiling. All right. Back to the chart. Let's see what we got here, guys. We're actually 20 clicks out from our position. Strong chance of this market continuing up. But I still, I got my idea. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, guys. You know what I mean? I'm going to come back later and be like, okay, this is the reason why I was wrong. Take your L, move on with your day. I mean, this is the second trade of the day, guys. The first one was already taken, and we reached 60 clicks already on it. So if I was to lose this trade, it's only a 38 clicks out of that. I still 28 clicks up. You see how that works? You see why I don't care if it's a loser or a winner, because I already know what I've done for the day. I mean, I can't really do too much more analyzing, guys. This area is here. We had to come up, feel this insufficiency on the 1 hour. She did pull down, so we had to come up just a little bit, a little more than I expected her to, but market does what it want to do. All right. Let's look around and see what we got. Insufficiency down here, insufficiency here. I mean, these are my targets, guys. This is all I'm gonna do. Boom. I'm gonna let this thing play out. I'm not gonna, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, great. All right. I'll just take my little 20, what is it? Hold on. 22 clicks. My 22 pips for the day and move on. I'm still up no matter what. My percentage is still good. Let's see what we got. What else we got here? Let me check something out real fast. I just want to look at something clear. Guys, man. This do look like look at the daily. It looks like it's gonna fall. Let's do something real quick. Where are you? There you go. Let me see. Do we got this area marked? Nope. All right. It's a little crazy right here in this area because I had marked this up. But if we look on the daily, where is it? 4 hour. Here's a 4 hour. We look on the 4 hour, we can see how market did tag and come all the way to this insufficiency that I marked up previously and closed it and reversed back into insufficiency in price here, closed it, look left, look right here, they look left, they closed it, right? Wick to wick, that's close to me, right? So we could see, again, look up here, just keep looking, I am seeing money sitting there. Why? Because we have a gap right here above it. So market pulls up. So if this market is, if I'm thinking that this market could possibly come up, then I know that I'm thinking right for thinking that gold could push down. All right, y'all see that? Easy. That'll help me sit a little bit more comfortable in my trade, knowing the correlations of gold, between gold and the US dollar. Y'all see that? All right. So why did it go from 35? Did I move this? Did I move this thing, guys? I don't know. Did I move this? This don't even look like. One second. I don't even think I'm on the right chart. Hold on. Yep, here it is. All right. This one. Double bottoms here. They're coming back down, guys. They're going to have to. Who knows when in the future, near future. We just know it's in the future. They're going to come back down to this price, 23.38. Man, they're playing around my little stop area a lot. But you guys get the point of where I'm aiming. It's all about finding your targets, target areas, and aiming for those areas. Finding liquidity areas and targeting those areas. Nice little bottoms here, more liquidity below. It's just simple. Simple to see. We're kind of like in a crazy little zone right here because we're still wanting to push further down. See, let me get rid of that. So it looking like on this, it's out for me on stream, you know. Hold on, I think I got something. I was disconnected for a second, but I think we're back. The lower time frame, guys, is just for, I just use that for just to catch my entries. This entry was not the best entry. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is not the best setup at all. Up here would have been probably more of a better entry here. Let's see, this side got taken from these guys here. And then all it did was move further down from there. So y'all see, I be jumping back and forth from the 5 minute to the 1 hour, because I'm telling you, the lower time frame is just for entries. I just want to see how she moves, but I don't want to stare her down on the lower time frame, because it's going to be a lot of noise. If you can catch your idea on the higher time frame, and then just find a position to get in at and do proper risk, then you're good. You're okay. You can go about your business, go cook some breakfast, go work out, whatever. Just set your stops and then, you know, see if it play out later on. Set an alert. We can do this where I set an alert here. This will let me know she hit my stop. And then let's see, 42, 38. Let's do this one here. This will let me know if it hit TP1. Y'all see that? Simple. Now I don't have to stare at my chart now. I could walk away from my chart because I set an alert, right? To let me know that, hey, if she comes up here and crosses 23.43, I'm out. But if she comes down here to 23.38, I'm in the money. All right? That's how that's going to go. But I am looking at this market, and it does look good for us to, you know, push to the downside. A lot of people want to buy this market right now, I could tell. Hell, even I would buy this market right here. You know what I mean? Like this area here, it closed, and there's like it's showing me all the signs that we could have taken along here. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I looked on on the daily. And that daily just sitting too nice there. It's sitting real nice on us, just falling down below the lows, taking out these lows, dipping in insufficiency of price on the daily, continue down, money, 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 and there's money here. All right. So I'm gonna stick with that, and it's set in stone now. Now I'm just gonna watch this market do its thing. It's gotta do one or two things. It's gotta go up or down, one or the other. All right. We've already been shown that the big boys are here, 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 and we can continue down. Right? Big boys are here. We just gotta wait for them to, you know, get some volume. Most likely the 9 o'clock hour could possibly be when we start getting the volume. All right. Strong chance of that. Yeah. I think we should be selling down. Oops. I do that. Yeah. 4 hour looks good. Liquidity below. I mean, everything is lining up, guys. Everything lines up right now. For us to drop. I would love to see us come down here. That'd be an awesome move there. But you just never know, you know. These markets are sometimes unpredictable. You never know what they might do. You know what I'm saying? But as long as you just have you do your proper analysis and you make them, like I said before in some of my other streams, I make the story make sense to me. Once it makes sense to me, I will take I will take my trade. This story does make sense to me. You know, it does. We haven't completed this wave. Look at the bottom is down here, 2278, 2276, I'm sorry. And then we went all the way up here. We haven't came back down to 2278 yet. We haven't completed this wave. We haven't closed this side off. This side still has buyers. Remember, the market needs two sides to play. They need buyers and sellers. Okay? Well, this market is an imbalanced market. Just by looking at it, it's imbalanced because when they pushed down and broke this trend, they did not complete this wave. They didn't come down and complete this wave. We should still see this market come down like this. You know what I'm saying? Before we actually get the push to come up. All right? I'm just saying. Just the way that it looks, we're going to take away everything. Yeah, just hold this market, guys. We can just hold that position until 9 o'clock. Volume come in. We should see the volume push us further lower. If we were going to go higher, we would have went higher. We didn't go higher because of this. Where is it? Order block candle here. See that? There was a candle that was in drawdown that they came up and took themselves out of drawdown, I would say, which was this candle here. Let me show you. Boom, here. And we're getting an alert that we have now passed 2338, which is good. All right. Now, back to what I was saying. This candle here is the reason it's giving me an idea of why we haven't pushed further up. Well, if we were going to go higher, after this candle, this white candle came up, the next candle with the wick should have passed it and closed. That didn't happen. We reversed, right? And now we're turning the market around. So this was an order block. This candle here, they were in drawdown. They came and released it in reverse. That's simple, guys. That just looking at, just like I said, investigate. Do the investigation. All right, let's look. Oh, that tight little stop, guys. Boy, was I risky today. Again, look at this, baby. All right, let me just go ahead and update the group real quick. On that sale at 2340, reply. This is me updating the group. Again, if you are in the Telegram group, you are getting this update. Congratulations on your win. And as you can see, that volume right before New York coming in, bruh, they are slamming this thing down. So that means that my prediction was right. All right, I love it when I'm right, but if I'm wrong, I actually love it when I'm wrong too. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. We just hit every TP just about. Yep, we hit every TP, guys. Every one. I didn't even get a chance to update the group fast enough, guys. You know? So, let's go ahead and let me just update them real quick. And last one. Okay, man, it's too easy, guys. Too easy. Nice little sniper shot there. I like stuff like that. All right. So yeah, it played out nicely. Played out real good before 9 o'clock. That to me is just wild. Right before 9 o'clock. All of our work is done and over with. Now, not necessarily done and over with, but all of the TPs have been hit. So, I mean, if you want to get up out this market, going about your day, it's 9 o'clock. Go ahead, hit the gym, whatever you got to do. Let me come back here to the chart real fast. And let's see what we did. We got a nice push here. Real nice push. 54 clicks. Not bad, not bad. It actually played out the way I wanted it to play out. And again, as you can see, I was like, well, if we go up, this is where we could go. But why we're not going up? Why didn't we continue going up when we went up? Well, it was an order block. We broke that down. And we say, all right, this market could continue to the downside. Which she will continue. Now that she's done this, showed her hand again. Big boys are there. Boom. All right, cool. Nice little sell. Push down, taking liquidity. These guys, let's just update these guys, right? Remember I said double bottoms, they will aim for those. Wicks, there's money in the wicks, guys. I come here and I tell you this every day, right? Every day. And look how she just smacking these areas, yo. All my little points of interest. Look at this dollar sign here. We marked this up. She smacked that one too. I mean, bust through it. I said, if she busts through, what did I say? 23. If she busts through 23.34, she's definitely going down further. She should be coming way further down. And like I said, I want to see her come all the way down to 23.24. Strong chance of her doing it. All right. If she busts through, she busts through. She didn't quite bust through, but she closed it. She closed this area here. I want to see her create a white candle. Next candle black, come down. Right? We might get that. Let's check the hourly. See them wanting to close this wave off? They want to. They want to close this wave off. There's money sitting over here. They got too many buyers in this market. We need sellers. So right now it's still an imbalance in the market. We want to see her continue this price action down. That's the idea there. All right. Now we've already got our TP 1, 2, and 3 hit. If you guys would like to, let's see where we at. If you want to move, like a lot of you guys like to do, go ahead and break even so you don't lose this trade. We were up, you know, the 50, I don't know, 55, 54 clicks. Can't remember. Let's just check it. 55 clicks, right? If you want, make sure you don't lose this trade. Go ahead and move your trade to break even and let the rest ride. We're done for the day. So I'm going to update the group real quick. I'll let them know how I'm feeling. every day, guys, every day. Let's get it. Now we are all risk-free. We went on ahead and went risk-free on this trade, and we're just gonna hold it now until, well, we can hold it till we pick up more profits, or you can hold it till it comes back to break even, and you can be out of this trade. But you did get the push of 60 or 55 clicks. So because you got 55 pips, you know, that is a win, guys. That is a win. 55. I'm seeing people on YouTube get 10 clicks, and that's a win for them, you know. But we are here getting, you know, 50, 60 clicks, you know, in our trade setup. And I'm not to say that their trade setups don't pan out. Hey, everybody's trading strategy is different on how they take their pips. Hell, 10 pips could be, you know, any amount of money. You feel me? Just depending on how much you put down on that lot size for that trade. So I'm not, you know, judging you traders out there. All right, don't get it twisted. I'm not judging you, you know, on your 10 clicks. Your 10 clicks is probably enough to feed your family, right? But here you're going to get the setups where now look, you know, at what I'm talking about. You know, the ratios, how many clicks we're going to get, you know, that I'm looking for. And if I sit this here and just let it play out for the rest of the day, I mean, we might get more of a push to the downside after coming up some and then waving down, because of course market does have to breathe, guys. You know that, right? It has to breathe, right? So I'm hoping that you guys learned something here on this stream today. It is now 9:02 and we are done for the day. We have got our money, and you can go do what you got to go do. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. Eastern time, and for another setup, you know. And we're going to continue to do this every day, guys. Every day the market is open, we're going to do this. All right. It's just too easy to come in and do analysis and, you know, hit the button. You feel me? I ain't even gonna lie, this remove this. Yes, I don't need that no more. That move was sweet. That was a nice little sweet little push there. I ain't even gonna lie. But again, you know, it doesn't always work out the way we want things to work out. This is why you need chart time, and you need to just be patient with yourself, and be vigilant of the moves. All right. So we did get in at a really good spot, and she's back. She gave us our 55 clicks, and now she's back to break even. It's cool. It doesn't matter anymore, guys. We are done. We're out the trade. We're finished. Right? This is done. If she does come back down here, this is just an idea of her wanting, me wanting her to possibly get down in these areas, come further down to 23, 24, but who knows? We won't know until the future, but present time, we got our move. We got our move right before the 9 o'clock. So that's all we needed. And we can go on about our business. So that's exactly what we're getting ready to do, because I'm done trading for the day. All right. If you got here late, I'm sorry. Maybe you caught it, or you missed it, or you tried to catch it late, but don't, you know, just jump into these markets. You got to be here early, 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. I hit the live button, and I'm going to do a little quick markup, you know, let you guys know how I feel. And then we're going to go from there. You know what I mean? We're going to place that trade, and it's a possible chance by 9 o'clock, we're done. All right? We're done. We got the move. Just a pretty good move here. Yeah. Done. That move is that's all we needed, guys. I don't care what she does now. I'm wanting her to do some more price action so I can figure out where I want to go for the next trade. All right, because I'm gonna drop another signal in the sit group. We're done here. All right, and let's see. We got it up here. 55 clicks is not bad off that trade. And we were only in it for an hour. All right, so again, I will see you guys tomorrow, same time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Hit that notification bell so every time I go live, you'll be notified. All right. Other than that, guys, I have nothing else for you today. I'm going to go ahead and get my day started, and I will see you tomorrow. You already know what time it's gonna be, so make sure you here. All right. And I will be updating the group, so make sure you get in the Telegram group. Okay. Again, the link is in the description below. Feel free to join. It is free. All right. Appreciate every last one of you guys for coming to my stream and asking questions, sending me messages and stuff like that. I really do appreciate you guys. This tells me that you guys are watching me. It doesn't make me nervous or nothing, but I just know that you guys are watching. All right. And that's cool. That's good. For me, I like pressure. You know what I mean? That's how diamonds are built. You feel me? So y'all enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and I'll see you back Thursday, tomorrow morning. All right. Mo Diesel is out. Peace.